Richard Clark. Wow, there's a name that produces a lot of different opinions from many different people. There are a number of reasons why we faculty in instructional technology and distance education, and me personally, support the position presented by Dick Clark in 1983 in his classic article published in the Review of Educational Research, and reiterated a number of times in more recent years in publications and presentations that he's made, including the recent book published by Information Age Publishing titled Learning from Media. First, a careful study of Clark's work reveals that he's probably right. He does not make false claims, nor does he make statements based on beliefs, instead of research. He reports what the literature says, not what we wish it said. Second, Clark's thesis about the impact of media on achievement gives educational scientists a starting point, a foundation, a place of departure. Some even categorize research in our field as BC, before Clark, and AC, after Clark. Once we stop trying to determine that mediated instruction is somehow better, we can move to more important issues, more important approaches, which brings me to my third point. Third, Clark's position is that researchers in our field should be investigating more critical issues than just achievement. Not to say that achievement and learning are not critical ideas, but the intermediate variables that we should study offer a greater potential for improving the teaching and learning process. Issues such as cost effectiveness, motivation, teacher time, and improved efficiency, even the affective domain, potentially hold greater promise for scientists and researchers in our field. Clark may not be 100% correct, but until some valid science is produced that he is wrong, demonstrating that his assumptions are not accurate, the classic efforts of Richard Clark should be a point of departure for a person in the field of instructional technology and now in distance education. Also, we should continuously revisit his position to make sure that we still understand what he's saying and what he's not saying. What we would like to believe should not be what we base our educational decisions on, not if our field is to become a profession.